we're going to show you how to set up scan to Yahoo Mail on your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M479 printer. The printer must first be connected to a network. So to begin, from the front panel, select Scan. Select Email. So there's no email profile set up. Let's go to Next. So there are two setup options. You can either use the HP software installed on a computer or by using a web browser. We'll choose using a web browser. So here are the instructions. We need to open a web browser on the network connected computer and type the following IP address. So let's do that. So from our computer, key in the IP address of the printer. So this will bring you to the embedded web server page or the EWS page. Select Scan to Email. Redirecting to Secure Page. Select OK. So this will bring you to the Scan to Email page. And we have actually filled in the SMTP server and the port for Yahoo. But if you need, you can simply do a Google search for SMTP for Yahoo Mail. And these are the information that we have just keyed in onto our EWS page for the SMTP server as well as the port. So let's go back to the EWS page. And you need to check on this box here. Always use secure connection. Maximum size of email, we'll leave it as unlimited. We'll leave the server authentication as does not require authentication. Next, you need to click on this icon over here to add a new email outgoing profile. Type in your Yahoo email address. We'll put the display name as Tech Tips Yahoo. You can create a security PIN, and that is to prevent unauthorized people from using this email profile. For this exercise, we will skip this step. Let's go to Next. So we'll select Server does not require authentication. Let's go to Next. So we'll include the sender in all email messages sent out successfully from the printer. Go to Next. So confirm our outgoing email settings and do a save and test. So there's an SMTP email server error. So now we are going to show you how to set up successfully, because there are some settings for Yahoo Mail that you need to enable or disable before you can get this set up successfully. Let's go to Edit. This information is still the same. Go to Next. You need to select a server requires authentication. The username is actually your Yahoo email itself. And the password, okay, this is where you need to go to your Yahoo email and do some security changes. Let's do that. Let's head over to our Yahoo email. So from our Yahoo Mail, go to Account Info. Select Account Security. You need to sign in order to do that. So sign into your Yahoo email. Under Account Security, first you must make sure that the two-step verification is off. So in this case, it is off. So you are fine on that. Next, which is a very important step, is that for your app password, you need to generate app password. Let's get started. So for the app name, we'll call it HP Scan to Email and generate a password. This is a password for your HP Scan to Email. Copy this and select Done. Next, let's head back to our EWS page. So we stop over here and we've got the username, which is our Yahoo email. The password is the app's generated password, which we have copied, and we simply need to paste. Then go to next. Go to next. Now let's save and test. Congratulations, we have set up Scan to Yahoo email. We will now show you how to scan to email by going back to the printer itself and do a scan from the control panel to our Yahoo email. Select Finish. So we're going to scan 2 pages using the automatic document feeder, page 1 and page 2. Place it into the ADF as shown. Remember to use the paper guides. Next, from the control panel, select Scan. Select Email. You can see that the interface is already up. For the subject, let's enter Test. You can select the file name, but we'll leave it as Scan. So let's tap on Send. So the 2 pages has been sent. Let's check on our Yahoo email. So we have received 2 emails. One is the setup and the other is the test. Let's take a look. So this is page 1 and this is page 2. And so this is how you set up Scan to Yahoo email for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M479 printer.